Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can assign ringtone to contact on your TCL 408. So to do this you have to open the phone dialer and then move to the contacts, select one of the contacts, next click on the three dots in the right upper corner and click to set the ringtone. Right now we can pick any of the default ringtones. For example, the TCL Go. Well, you can also click to add the ringtone and you will be moved to the recent files. When you click on the left upper corner, you can find, for example, your downloads. So right here, you can pick any sound that you upload to your phone or that you download on your phone, and you can just set the custom sound. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.